If you want to find profitable products based on what's already being sold on Amazon, reverse search is a great place to start. With reverse search, you can scan an entire Amazon seller storefront using their seller ID or explore all products listed under a specific brand. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to run a reverse search by seller ID or brand inside Tactical Arbitrage 2.0. Start by heading to the Search tab and clicking Reverse Search. Then, in the top right corner, click Find Products to open your search options. Choose your search type and click Next Step. You'll then see three search options. To scan by seller ID or brand, select Sellers. This option lets you search Amazon storefronts or products by brand name. Now pick your focus. To scan a seller storefront, paste their seller ID into the field under Amazon Sellers. You can find this ID in the URL of their Amazon store. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers that starts with an A. If you want to scan a brand, click Brands and simply type the brand name, then select it from the drop-down. Next, you can fine-tune your search. Adjust for shipping costs, taxes, or cash back under Price Adjustments. If you only want to source from certain stores, choose specific retailers under Choose Websites. You can also apply custom filters like minimum ROI, profit thresholds, or sales rank to 0 in results that match your sourcing goals. Before scanning, you can give your search a name like Competitor Number 3 to easily find it later. When you're ready, hit Start Search. Tactical Arbitrage will scan your selected sites and return a list of products from that seller or brand.